In this tutorial, I will show you how I painted this darling little kitty cat on this darling little face. For this tutorial, I'm using just a basic palette I picked up at the local grocery store at Halloween. I'm starting out with a white face paint crayon just to trace a little guideline of where I'm going to paint the cheeks. Then I'll fill that in with white face paint. I'm also going to put a little white for the ears. Again, with a sponge, I will apply some pink face paint all around the white. Then I'll apply a little darker pink around the edges and blend that in with my favorite blending tool, my finger. A little more dark pink there. Add some pink right at the top. And now it's time for the tickly part. It's so tickly. Painting a little pink nose. Then I'll dip my brush in some black cream makeup and start making the outlines. 2 stripes for the top. And on the cheeks, I'll blend that black in just a little bit. Next, I'll add some fur on the outside. Can't see it very well on this side, but it shows better on the other side. And around the ears. And around the little white cheeks. I'm also going to outline the little pink nose. And put a little lip there. And using an eyeliner pencil, I'll trace her eyelids. And add some pretty little eyelashes. I'll do that on both eyes. This design does take a little time, so your little one will have to be patient as you paint their face. Next, I'm going to add a flower right in the middle of her forehead. I'm using white cream paint on my brush. A little pink center. Outline it in pink. I'll add some little teardrops around that little flower design. And dots. And a shine mark on the nose. A few more dots. I love dots. Really completes the design. It's on her forehead and on her cheeks. And as a last detail, to paint her little lip pink. And of course, add some glitter. And there she is. What a cute little kitty cat. Thank you so much for watching. If you'd like to see more like this, please subscribe to my channel. I'll see you later.